Hello, Woodstock students. This is Mr. Brennan, and I just wanted to do a quick introduction to getting started with Google Sites in the case that you are, like me, relatively new to this. So I want to show you how you can pretty simply access your Google Sites and how you can get started creating your web page. I'm in my Drive. I'm going to go to New, and you see the various kinds of things you can get to. Of course, you go to More and you go to Google Sites, and that will call up a sample page right away. And you can give your page the file a name. So this is your file name, okay? And then you can, that doesn't have to be your title. It can be something else like biology project, okay? And it might be helpful to put your name in it, like by me, okay? Or by Johnny Jones, okay? So here you go, you've got your title for a page, okay? You can change the image by searching for things. So we could search for, let's say, DNA replication, all right? And find things that are available. Let me just pick something here. Okay, and put that right in there. That would go right into that spot right there, and looks like it automatically adjusts for uh, readability. Although I'm not sure I love that combination just yet, but I'll let you play around and get what you need there. Hey, maybe you want to add in some text here, and so you can add in some information about your topic. Okay, so that's the thing you can do. You can change the style of that, make it shaded or make it blue, or and then you can duplicate that and add something else, and then some more information about your topic. Okay. Left out the I. There we go. You can also insert an image here. So let's select something. Okay. Let's say this. This is an exciting image. All right. So I think this was back when we were doing our pillbox. And this can be resized and it can be moved, and you can add in a text box and say some more stuff. Say more. Okay. And you can make that smaller. All right. And I think you can add in a text box here as well. Make that active. I'm not sure. We'll get a text box in there at some point. Anyway, you can add in this kind of thing where you can just get images or give it a caption and give some titles here. All kinds of things you can pull in here, including stuff from your Drive. You can capture Google slideshows that you put together, videos that you've made, and so forth. Anything on your Drive, you can kind of import right into here. Okay. This is how to create a single page. If you would like to have multiple pages, then you can just open up Pages, and when you add in, you just hit this plus button here. You have a new page, which might be page 2 of my topic. Okay, you'll come up with something better. All right, and oopsie, I botched it. Let me try that again. Here we go. Page 2 topic. Okay, and then I'm going to say I'm done, and I'll have a second page, You see it shows up here. Here's my home page, okay, and my second page, and it looks like it's keeping the same image, but of course I can select a different image and so on, okay. But you see here, there's none of the other stuff that was on the home page, okay. I want to invite you to play around with the kinds of things that you can do with Google Sites here. It's really simple to get started, but I hope you can see that you can add in images and text, and you can start taking the topic that you're so familiar with at this point, and you can start making your own web page. I hope you will trust that soon there will be some information about how to take your page and connect it to the class website, okay? But a good place to get started is with Google Sites and with you making a page or a set of pages associated with your topic, okay? I hope this is informative. I hope it feels helpful, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Okay, great. Thanks.